Nemo and the Talking Backpack, Scene 1. Nemo's bedroom, morning narrator excited voice. One sunny morning, a curious girl named Nemo found something strange in her closet. A bright blue backpack with big eyes and a zipper that smiled. Nemo surprised. "What is this?" Backpack cheerfully. "Hi, Nemo. I'm Zippo, your magic backpack. Open my zipper and let's explore." Scene 2. Nemo opens the zipper. Whoosh! Wind swirls, lights flash. Suddenly, Nemo and Zippo land in a magical forest where animals talk. "Zippo, welcome to Caroland. Here, kids help animals, and every good deed unlocks a surprise." Scene 3. Helping the forest animals, an elephant is stuck in mud. A bird has a hurt wing. Nemo jumps in to help. Elephant: "Thank you, Nemo. You're brave, bird. You're so kind. Can I ride on your shoulder?" Sparkles appear as Nemo helps each animal. Her smile grows bigger. Scene 4. The forest celebration. Animals gather around a glowing tree. A crown of leaves appears on Nemo's head. "Zippo, every time you help, you grow stronger inside. Ready for another adventure tomorrow." Nemo: "Absolutely. Helping is magical." Lesson: helping others opens doors to amazing adventures, sometimes even magical ones.